Today we're sharing our fun Halloween party table display ideas, showcasing some of Zazzle's amazing customizable party supplies and decor. First up, let's talk about the theme. Whether you're going for a spooky haunted house or a cute and friendly Halloween vibe, Zazzle has got you covered. They offer a wide range of design options, allowing you to personalize everything from invitations to napkins, paper plates, and so much more. Let's head over to Zazzle's website and browse the extensive range of Halloween party products, designs, and decor. This is our Halloween ghosts and bat pattern paper plate design, available in our fun, spooky Halloween party collection in our Zazzle Moodthology papery shop. To set up our Halloween party table display, we'll need some fun paper cup designs. Next, we'll need some napkins. This table runner will add a fun, friendly touch to the table setup, and these will make a wonderful centerpiece for the display. No party would be complete without complementing paper bowls and paper plates. With Zazzle, you can easily customize these essentials to match your color theme or even add your personalized touches. Now let's set up our dazzling Halloween party table using these Zazzle-made products. Stickers for goodie bags, table runner, napkins, paper plates, and paper cups, and this fun bunting flag banner. So let's get started. For the centerpiece of our table display, we're using this happy Halloween bunting flag design from Zazzle. You can display the flags in one single row or hang them in multiple rows, depending on the size of your display and the space that you're working with. The individual flags are made of thick, sturdy plastic material with vibrant printing, and they come pre-holed. You can hang them on a wall or display them in a window. This bunting flag design will add a fun addition to your Halloween party. To add an extra touch, we're incorporating these personalized stickers. You can easily decorate goodie bags and party favors. We love the idea of adding a personalized sticker to each guest's favor bag. You can easily customize them to match your color theme or add your personalized touches. And now for our favorite part. Let's set up the table display. Let's start by arranging our Zazzle-made paper cups. These are amazing. You can keep warm or cool beverages in your cup with the optional lid. These stickers are great for so many uses, including sealing these party favor bags. Make it your own and have fun exploring the wide array of products and designs to personalize and choose from. Easily customize these party essentials to match your color theme, or even add your personalized touches. These plates are perfect for serving dinner, appetizers, or treats, and you can mix and match for a fun look. Serve up the party with custom personalized paper napkins for a complete set of party tableware that your guests will love. A spooktacular Halloween party brought to life with Zazzle's customizable party supplies and decor. Just imagine the smiles on your guests' faces when they see your spooktacular, vibrant display that's ready to spook and delight. From custom party paper cups, personalized paper napkins, and paper plates, to fun stickers and this festive table runner, get ready to host the most memorable Halloween bash ever. We hope you enjoyed this video to inspire you to create your very own Halloween party masterpiece. Thanks for watching and happy haunting!